Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Geforce Experience and signing in so updates apply to your profile. Make sure Windows Update's finished and rebooted. This avoids driver conflicts. Once done, close any games or GPU-intensive apps to free resources. In Geforce Experience, click the Drivers tab at the top. This immediately surfaces available updates. If Geforce Experience itself needs updating, allow that first so driver installation uses compatible installer components. After selecting the Drivers tab, press Download on the current driver package. The client will fetch the driver, monitor the progress to ensure a stable internet connection. When the package finishes, choose Express Install for a fast setup or Custom to control components. Use Custom if you want a clean install. Selecting that removes old driver remnants and reduces error risks. Once you confirm options, click Install and let the installer take over. Don't interrupt power or reboot prompts during this phase. When installation completes, accept the prompt to reboot immediately. This finalizes driver integration. After the restart, open Geforce Experience to confirm the installed driver version matches the update. Test a game or run GPU-Z to verify expected performance and stability. Look for artifacts or crashes. If problems occur, make sure to uninstall via Device Manager and choose Roll Back Driver or Reinstall using the custom Clean Install option.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.